Hi everyone. Welcome to a short lecture that will explain your first assignment. I will introduce the topic first, and at the end of the slideshow, I will explain what you will need to work on between now and our next session. But first, let me tell you what inspired the idea for this project. Margot and I, as many architects, we believe that buildings and cities should provide a multi-sensory experience. The environments in which we live, work, and study have a tremendous effect on our mood, our health, and our lifestyles. Space, natural light, air movement, and sound are vital for good living. In your first assignment that we named Capture, you will focus primarily on observing the natural phenomena of light, air, or sound, and you will capture the process of transformation. So let's talk briefly about light. Light enables us to see. Therefore, light is the bridge between a person and their surroundings. Light conditions both the way we see our world and the way we feel. The work of many architects and artists is deeply influenced by light. Here I'm showing you a light installation by my favorite artist, James Turrell. And since the subject of Project One is the creation of a space, I want to leave this section of the presentation with this wonderful quote by Major and Spears from their book, Made of Light. Space is the absence of mass. Light influences space through the way in which it defines mass as form. The lighting of form to reveal shape, surface, texture, and color generates the ambience of a space. The relationship between light and space dictates our visual perception of the world around us and the way we feel. Light can make the space feel warm or cool. It can make it feel open or closed, airy or intimate. Space is regulated by light. Similar to light, air influences our daily experience. We love the feeling of cool breeze on a hot and steamy day. We enjoy seeing branches or grasses moved by the wind. And as you are all aware right now, the quality of air is more important to us than ever. Here I'm showing you just a few examples of work that embraces the air. A villa by Rem Koolhaas that challenges the conventional notions of inside and outside by incorporating curtains on the exterior of the building. A building designed by Diller Scorfidio that basically works as a giant fog machine. And a wonderful installation by Olafur Eliasson that has both a magical and a scientific feel to it. In this installation, Eliasson incorporated water, air, and light to create a constantly moving and evolving rainbow. Ned Kahn, an artist based in California, has done numerous kinetic installations involving wind, light, water, and sound. I strongly recommend that you check his work. You can find a link to his website on Moodle right below this lecture. Sound affects our experience too. Close your eyes for a moment and try to be fully aware of the sounds in your room. Is the sound pleasant or irritating? Or imagine a person wearing high heels walking on a marble floor, or the sound of dancers on a wood stage. Sound gives us a very good understanding of the volume of the space or the tactile qualities of the materials that surround us, whether they are sound absorbing or reflecting the sound. There is a wonderful quote by American architect Louis Kahn: "To hear the sound, it's to see a space." And for closing for this section, I want to invite you to listen to this short audio recording and to imagine a space in nature that you associate with this sound. Now let's talk about your assignment. In Moodle, below this lecture post, you will find examples of videos that I took recently. They are the videos that you see on the screen right now. My intention was to demonstrate how to approach each subject, whether it's the light, wind, or sound. But please feel free to choose any subject that you wish and take a video of anything that you would like to work on in this project. For air, you can choose air bubbles, or you can hang a piece of soft fabric and use an air fan to make the fabric move. You can take a video of a steam coming from a tea kettle, or you can even use carbonated drinks. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to you to choose what speaks to you the most or what excites you the most. Going back to the assignment description. So first you will need to select a subject, air, light, or sound. We will ask you to brainstorm your ideas and share your thoughts about the subject with your colleagues. For that, we created a chat room that you will find on Moodle. So please check Moodle to review instructions for activity 1. Once you select the subject, you will be asked to take a video. Focus on capturing the transformation of light, or the transformation of air, or the transformation of sound, and focus on the composition. At the end, you will need to upload your video to Moodle. Remember, you are uploading just one video of just one subject, air, light, or sound. The video should be 1.5 minutes long, and the format is optional. And by the way, there's a short tutorial on Moodle on how to adjust video time on your phone. So watch it if you have not done this before. Enjoy your assignment. See you next week. Bye.